can't, probably can't see right now. Okay. I make mistakes. Cause I was hungry and bored as always. Oh, fuck. Bella tender. I wonder if I should flip them. Yes, scissors, yes. Wait, I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. Hold on. So, I just flipped them, yeah. Even though I was gonna do a tutorial on how to make steak, and I don't even know how to make steak myself. I make steak myself. And, Amor, you want some steak? You want some steak? Hmm? You want some, you, you, want, you want some steak? Hmm? We can't get no bitch. It's my steak. You ain't hungry, I fed you. I'm hungry. Oh, don't look down. Look at me. No, don't look. Oh, sniffing away. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's against sticks anyway. So tomorrow, I think tomorrow. Yeah, I guess tomorrow. I'm gonna be starting vlogs. I mean, well, it's not for anyone to look at. I mean, you can watch them if you want to, but it's kind of for my own sake. I mean, if I'm older one day and I just, I just want to see what I was when I was a kid or whatever. I don't fucking know. Bitch, I don't fucking know. I'm just hungry now. I can think about these steaks. Anyway, I'm gonna say bye. Say bye. You jerk, yo. God, look. Better. Okay, bye.